they're making it. Yeah. They sell them here. Yes, they make it. Morning. I know some people would say you have the best job in the world. We do hear that quite a lot. I'm sure. Can you see them rolling this way? So it comes in a lump, and they, like from here, and they make it flat.
So they are still using the
Old technology. Yeah, everything is. They make these sweeties exactly as
it used to be.
So the big copper thing, they turn round and round to make the sugar soft.
Did they produce like meat from the animals?
They did, but not the dairy cows. So they had some cows that they had for milk. They would take the milk, and they had other cows that they had that when they were too old they would use them for milk. So some cows it is. Yeah. Do you know? Big smile. So here, you just look inside, you can see it's a kitchen. So if you look at the back, you can see it's a kitchen. So originally, so these buildings here would have had cows. They bring the cows in off the field every day, like in the morning and in the evening.
Not 2 times,
And
yeah.
two times. They bring them here, they tie them up, and then they milk them.
Welcome.
And then they would bring the milk into the dairy.
Okay.
And they would prepare the milk, put it into bottles, or you know, and then
They boil it here as well, or they boil the milk, or
no, they would.
like fresh?
So originally it was just fresh.
Yeah,
Then as time went on, they realized that raw milk sometimes give you problems.
It's dangerous,
So it can be
Yeah,
dangerous,
yeah,
yeah. Especially if it's like too warm or
Yeah.
start to cook and get antibacteria. So nowadays they pasteurize it, which is the heating thing. And the milk and the cheese. But this is obviously like the dairy. This is the house. This is the kitchen to prepare the milk, and then you've got a cheese press. And this will probably be where the milk is, just like where the dairy was the dairy.
One of my school field trips are coming to.
Put the film in there, and you closed it, and then it would go round and round, and it would play past the light, and then this would shine out onto the screen.
I know.
We've got 3 showings a day.
Yeah, like,
11:30, 1:30 and 3 o'clock.
11:30, 1:30 and 3 o'clock they place a film.
What we do is we've got a parody of the 50s that made ourselves. Followed by...
No, it's fine, it's very light.